With the PIXNOR facial care system, you can have a full spa-quality skincare regimen anytime you want, with hardly any effort. The whole kit is small enough to take with you to the gym, to work, on vacation or business trips, so you can always be looking and feeling terrific. The fact that it's battery-powered makes it even more portable, and also means no dangerous electricity near your face. With the 2-speed motor you can choose from gentle or vigorous, and with 7 heads, you'll always have the exact right tool for every job. The 7 heads are: 1 soft latex sponge for extra gentle cleaning and hydrating massage. 2 makeup sponge for removing makeup and surface cleansing. 3 soft short bristle brush for gentle, thorough cleansing of pores. 4 long ultrafine brush for more intense cleansing and mild exfoliating. 5 exfoliating head to use with your facial cleanser to deep clean and gently exfoliate. 6 pumice pad for gently removing calluses from elbows and feet. 7 rolling massage head to increase circulation and invigorate facial muscles. Usage manual is also included. Requires 2 AA batteries, not included. This PIXNOR product is sold with a 1-year full money-back guarantee. If you are dissatisfied with your purchase for any reason, contact us for a replacement or refund. The perfect all-in-one facial care system includes 7 different heads, a full range of cleansing brushes and sponges, exfoliating pads and massaging head. Water resistant. No need to worry about water getting into the mechanism and ruining it when you use it in shower. This makes it easy to clean the heads. Just run them under warm water and allow to air dry. For cleansing and remove blackheads, use one of the sponges to gently remove makeup and surface oils, or the short or long bristle brushes for deeper cleaning and mild exfoliation. For exfoliating, use the exfoliating head with your facial cleanser to deep clean and gently exfoliate. The pumice pad will remove calluses from feet and elbows. For massaging, the rolling massager head will improve blood circulation and tone facial muscles for a fresh, youthful glow. For all skin types, normal, sensitive, dry, oily. For men, women, and teens. Sensitive skin to consider using the slow speed. Professional quality. You can use it with any facial cleanser or essential oils. Enjoy spa-quality facial care in your own home and while you travel. Only 5.25 inches long and light in weight, this kit will take up little room in your bathroom or travel bag. A perfect Valentine's Day gift for your loved ones. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.